Well, today I'm scraping blackberries. Here's how this slash pile started. Haven't been able to really finish it up, but I'm doing a little maintenance here.
Let's push them back like that. If I want to, I can go up higher. I can do the same thing with the dirt pile. If you want to push the dirt pile over. And see, I can just reach out there. It's kind of nice.
And that's what I like about the blade, is the reach I can get. I can get over ditches, and I can reach around things. It's kind of nice.
Go slow. You can pile up dirt like this too, pretty high.
When we logged off the property, we had a dozen or so big slash piles. And slowly, one by one, I've been taking care of them. Blackberries are one of the things that are an incident of that. And if you let them go, they just crawl everywhere. So, as you can see, they've crawled into the field here, and I'm just pushing them back until I get a chance to really get them out.
Go back to Blackberry back. I'm just about in back one there. I'll show you how that goes on the tractor. It's pretty easy.
And you can do the same thing. If you're going to actually remove these blackberries, it's actually like rolling it over like a big rolling pin. And if you just keep pushing it and pushing them, and then as you're pushing them, you'll expose the roots, and you can go cut the roots loose and continue to roll the whole set of blackberries over. And then what I do is I put the backhoe on the tractor and go dig out those roots. And then all of these blackberries, when I'm actually going to finish taking them all out, I will go throw them in the burn pile and burn them, or bring them to the dump. But usually I burn them. You know, blackberries are funny. You can just throw them in the ground and they'll root. So you really got to watch that. And that's what they do when they creep out there. They'll creep out so far, they'll throw down a root. So that's pretty much it. It's a great tool. Love having it. I appreciate you guys stopping by and seeing our videos. Come see us again.